Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria, and in today's video I am so excited to share with you guys because not only will I be doing my first Christmas DIYs, but this is in collab with my friend Marie from Marie's DIYs. We're both doing buffalo check. I'm going to leave her information in the description box so you can definitely go check her out because she's so talented and does beautiful home decor. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. With that being said, now let's craft. For my first DIY, I will be using this wood decor ornament that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I am also using the Be Brave 2021 calendar, and I already used this in one of my previous DIYs, but I am going to use the month of November, or the back of whatever November says, and I'm using this piece of galvanized 4th of July decor sign that I got during the summer. I'm going to start off by removing the tag, and then I'm going to trace the ornament on the back of the calendar. I know it doesn't fit, but that is okay because I'm going to use the rest of the little pieces that are left over. I'm going to cut this, and once I am done cutting this, it is going to look kind of weird because of the sides, but don't get discouraged. I promise you at the end it's going to look like if you didn't even add anything, and it's going to turn out beautiful. I will be adding the sides now. And if you don't want to add the sides, you can totally use nautical rope, the one the Dollar Tree carries, and just glue it around the ornament, and that is going to cover those little empty pieces. But I decided to add the paper, so I am going to press it down to where it creases, and then I'm going to cut it. I will be doing this to both sides. Just make sure that the lines are going the same direction. I almost messed this up because I had cut one of them and the lines were going up, but I am so glad I catch myself before I glued it. Using my Elmer's glue stick, I'm going to start gluing this, and I started to glue the edges first and then the bigger piece. You can totally use Mod Podge if you want, but I don't like using Mod Podge. I like using this little Elmer's glue stick. Since I did cut this a little bit bigger than my sign, I had to press all the edges. And with a Dollar Tree scent sheet, I sent all the edges so like that it can blend them. To make the cap for my ornament, I will be using this metal decor sign that I picked up during July. I'm going to flip both of my signs over and then trace it using this marker. And then I'm going to cut it using my scissors. I am adding the piece of jewelry back to my decor sign so I can hang it. And then once I am done doing that, I'm going to glue the little cap. And look how beautiful this is turning out. I am using this buffalo check bow that I already had, but you can use any bow or any ribbon to make a bow. And look how beautiful this turned out. For my second DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree lantern, 8 popsicle sticks. As you can see, I didn't have enough of the Dollar Tree one, so I did have to make my little own using pieces that I already had. Plus this garland tie and this buffalo check ribbon that I had. Dollar Tree carries some, but I will be using one that I picked up from Michael's. And I am using 4 small little beads. I got these from Walmart. The first thing I will be doing is removing the tag and then removing the plastic. Here you go. The little images inside the lantern, and then I'm going to remove the top. With the popsicle sticks, I will be making the excess inside the lantern, so I do have to cut them a little. I want them to be the same color of the lantern, so I am painting these black using my apple barrel acrylic paint in jet black. I will be painting the beads the same color. Once everything was nice and dry, I started to glue the popsicle sticks inside the lantern. And like I said, I am making an X on each side. Once I finish gluing everything, I put the lantern upside down so I can add the beads at the bottom. Now I'm adding the top part back on. The last thing I will be adding is this garland tie. I'm going to wrap it around the top and then add this little cute bow I made out of the Hobby Lobby buffalo check ribbon. I decided to use this one instead of the Dollar Tree one because the one in Dollar Tree has little snowflakes and it's a little bit bigger than this one. And that is it for this cute little lantern. I absolutely love how this turned out. This is so perfect to go on a tier tray. For my third and final DIY, I will be using this Mary Decor sign that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I'm using this buffalo check paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I will be using the rest of this metal decor sign. This is from Dollar Tree as well. The first thing I will be doing is flipping the paper and the Mary sign around. Then I'm going to cut the tag and start tracing it. I am only tracing myrrh I am not tracing the deer head. The next thing I will be doing is cutting this carefully. I wish I had a smaller scissors, but these are the only ones I have. So I am going to cut it, and to cut like the inside of the R and inside the E, all I did was poke a little hole and then start cutting it. Before I glue this, I'm going to trace the deer head on the metal decor sign. I'm going to flip both of them around and then start tracing it. This time I use a permanent marker. It was a little bit hard to get inside like the antlers, but I still managed to freehand draw the rest. You don't have to do this. Another good option you can do is do a burlap head. That will look nice too. The next thing I will be doing is cutting this, and I do wish I had some better scissors. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but these are fabric scissors, so I do need to give me some good craft scissors. If anybody knows of some good craft scissors, please let me know down in the comment section. Before I glue this, I am going to paint the deer head on the Mary sign with my Waverly chalk paint and elephant, just because you can kind of see where I kind of messed up on the antlers. Now I'm going to glue my Mary first, or Mar. Anyways, I'm going to glue it using my glue stick. Once again, if you want, you can use Mod Podge. I just like using my glue stick. One thing I ended up doing was painting the outer part of the myrrh with my black acrylic paint. So if you want to do that, it's easier to paint it before you glue the myrrh. I didn't think about that till later on. But anyways, once that is nice and glued, I am going to add the deer head with some hot glue. I kind of thought it looked plain, so I did add a little drawstring bow to the deer. And that is it, guys, for this Mary sign. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I cannot wait to show you the rest of the buffalo check in my next video. So please stay tuned, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. And please don't forget to go show some love to my friend Marie. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And see you next time. Bye.